Okay, here we are. On this particular job, this customer wants to replace their 3 garage doors and 3 openers. And what we have here are 3 old Wayne Dalton phone cores that were installed here. And strangely enough, whoever originally installed these did it correctly. And so they have lasted 20 years, which is kind of rare for Wayne Dalton doors. But this is what we have on the inside. And they had the Torque Master system on them, which actually held up for 20 years, which was a rare things for Wayne Dalton Torque Masters. And they've got the basic 1245, these are 1245 old style LiftMaster opener chain drives. They didn't have one down here. We're going to be installing one here. So this is the before shot. So I will see you in a little while. We'll record the after shot so you can see what everything looks like.